students of intermediate second year. I hope that you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty. And I staying at home and are taking the advantages of online classes. I want to welcome who are with me from different corner of Bangladesh. Actually, I want to discuss with my learning topics. I don't want to discuss the informal talking with my discuss. Before starting my topics, I want to give my simple identity. This is Ariful Islam. I'm a lecturer of English Department of Hazahati Shambeloni College, Shalikha Magura. Actually, I want to thank my honorable principal sir who has arranged the online classes and encourages me to take the classes. My dear beloved student, already you have been able to know the topics of today. Our topics of today is passage about Nelson Mandela. You need to only listen to. My dear students, I know you are very frightened or disappointed about your coming examination. My dear students, you have a message from our honorable principal sir. You are requested not to be disappointed about your examination. Hazahati Shambeloni College is beside you. I'll try my level best to help you. I am ready to help you. My dear students, at first you have to read the whole passage of Nelson Mandela. If you do not fail to read the whole passage, you will not able to choose the best answer, to fail answering question. My dear students, I am going to take my classes and main topics. My dear students, look at the board. There is a great novelist of Nadine Gardiner has said about Nelson Mandela. Ultimately, we know Nelson Mandela was not only the leader of South Africa but also of the world. In a short, Nelson Mandela is the world leader. Nelson Mandela was the center of South Africa. Dear students, you can look at the circle of the board. Already I have drawn. Nelson Mandela is a center. Nelson Mandela is center. All the Africa will be center, will be moved with Nelson Mandela. My dear student, look at the board. Choose the best answer. The word emancipation in line 5 stands for participation, encouragement, bondage, and liberation. I can take or we can take the real answer of the choose the best answer is liberation. Emancipation means liberation, freedom. My dear students, I will discuss for the next class in details of Nelson Mandela, of answering question and choose the best answer. Okay.